In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track fasting in MyFitnessPal. This application is a fantastic tool for managing your diet and tracking your fasting periods effectively. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. When you launch the app, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface. This is where you can track your food intake and monitor your progress. It is essential to ensure that you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Once the app is open, you will be ready to start your fasting journey. Next, tap the More menu icon, which looks like three dots in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon serves as a gateway to more features within the app. Once you tap on it, a list of additional options will appear. This is crucial as it allows you to access the settings and features necessary for tracking your fasting accurately. From there, select intermittent fasting from the list of features. This option will guide you through the process of setting up your fasting schedule. It's a key step because choosing the right fasting method can significantly impact your results. The app will help you understand how to structure your fasting periods effectively. Now choose your preferred fasting pattern such as 12-12, 14-10, or the popular 16-8 method. Each of these options represents the hours you will fast and the hours you will eat. The 16-8 method, for example, is widely recognized and can be easier to follow for many people. Selecting the right pattern is important because it aligns with your lifestyle and dietary goals. After that, follow the on-screen setup prompts to finalize your target eating window. These prompts will guide you step by step through setting your specific fasting times. This is a straightforward process, and it will ensure that you have a clear understanding of when you can eat and when you should fast. If you do not have a premium subscription, you can still effectively keep tabs on your eating windows using meal timestamps. This feature allows you to track when you eat without needing advanced features. It's a useful workaround that helps you maintain accountability in your fasting journey. Next, navigate back to the More menu, tap Settings, and select Diary Settings. This step is important as it allows you to customize your diary to better suit your fasting needs. Accessing the settings properly will ensure that your diary is set up correctly for tracking your meals. Now, toggle on the option that says Show Food Timestamps. By enabling this feature, you will be able to see the exact times you log your meals. This is crucial for tracking your fasting periods accurately, as knowing when you ate helps you determine your fasting windows. Next, log your food normally, ensuring that the timestamp reflects the exact time you ate. This means being diligent about recording your meals as you have them. Keeping accurate timestamps is essential as it directly affects your ability to track fasting periods and evaluate your progress. Finally, calculate the hours between your last meal of the day and your first meal of the next day to determine your total fasting time. This calculation is straightforward and will give you a clear picture of how long you fasted. Understanding your fasting duration is key to optimizing your health and achieving your dietary goals. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to successfully tracking your fasting in MyFitnessPal. This process not only helps you stay on track but can also enhance your overall wellness journey. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your fasting journey.